Hi, I'm Kathy from Harcourts at Graceville. Welcome to 20 Britton Street in Oxley. You can leave the car at home as this charming property on a 607 square metre allotment in Oxley's sought after high side is just a short walk from Oxley Village, offering a variety of local shopping, cafes and public transport with direct access to the CBD. This delightful home features 3 light-filled bedrooms with warm timber floors throughout, accentuated by high ceilings, an enticing front deck for relaxing and a galley-style kitchen located with easy access to the rear deck for entertaining, which overlooks a child and pet-friendly backyard. When you make this house your home, you secure all the benefits of being part of a vibrant village-style community located close to quality schools, including St Aidan's Anglican Girls' School, Corinda State Primary and High Schools, and only a short drive from St Peter's and Brigidine College. So if you're looking for the perfect place to call home or a great investment for the future, stop looking and start living, and I'll see you at this Saturday's open home.